gotta tell you, this thing is actually a lot of fun to ride. This is a mobility scooter by HOVERFLY. It's the T3. It's actually a three-wheeler. So you've got a front wheel and you got the two back wheels. And typically when you have something like this, I always worry about kind of tipping, you know, like the imbalance. But as you can see, just spinning around there, no problems at all. There are no tipping points. And that's because the back wheels are really wide in this. And Amy, I'm flying on here. It is just a lot of fun to ride. This thing does come standard with this basket. This is a removable basket, which is kind of nice because if you're at the grocery, you can take it off as well. Horn, headlight, all included in this. This is a foldable design as well. Again, this is by HOVERFLY. If you want to know more about this, I'm going to cover this in full in today's video and where you can get it at a really, really good price. Stay tuned. I mentioned the headlight here, so there's a little headlight button, and I don't know if you can see it on here on camera, but the headlight is right down here, so it doesn't turn with the steering wheel. Some headlights, as you turn the steering wheel, your light turns. This doesn't, so keep that in mind if that is a concern. You do have your bell as well, cute little bell. And I mentioned the removable basket. This doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but it really kind of is because a lot of people are taking these to like the grocery store and stuff like that. It's nice to be able to remove that basket. It's a pretty decent sized basket. It's plastic, not metal, which I prefer because it won't rattle when you're going. This does utilize a thumb throttle. Let me show you that really quick. Here's a quick look at the steering column. So here you've got your battery indicator. You also have your accelerator and your power. So this is your power button right here. Hold it down for a couple seconds. You'll see how much battery you have. This is where it accelerates and goes. Here you have your drive and your reverse. This does have both forward and reverse. You have your horn and your headlight button all located right on the column. Very basic column. There is a little hook here as well if you want to hook something like a purse, backpack, anything could go right here on this little hook. It's a very sturdy hook right into the frame. There's also a few different screws. You can add a water bottle holder, things like that. Plenty of space up here for a cell phone mount as well, for somebody that's going to be using this quite often out and about. It does have one brake lever for everything, so it does brake with just one lever, not two. Keep that in mind, guys. So, but it's got a good braking system, didn't have any issues with braking. So typically with a mobility scooter, you only have a couple options for folding it, and it's going to be the little steering column here. So the handlebars will fold down. Sometimes the seat will be removable or this will go down. That's really it. So fitting this into smaller vehicles can be a challenge, but not with this one. With this one, it has a full foldable frame. So if you could put your pedals up here where your feet go, and there's a little latch here, you unlock that, and actually you can, there's a little thing right here where you can just push down a little bit and it will open up the frame. As you can see, this completely folds. And the cool thing about this is you can literally fold this up to be so incredibly small. If you fold it and then lay this down, you're going to get an incredibly small footprint on this, which is really, really nice. Now, again, to latch it, you just push down on that, rotate this around, and lock it into place. Just like that. This goes down, you're good to go. Raise this up, and you can go riding. Really easy to fold, which is kind of unique. It does have three wheels, front wheel, and you have your two back wheels like I mentioned before. People worry about stability, didn't have any issues with stability on this because of how wide those back wheels are. Your battery is back here as well, guys, so there is some weight back there, which also helps with stability. One more thing, if you do want to put the handlebars down, it just is a little latch right here. This loosens up the handlebars and you can put that down for easy transport. I know people are going to ask me, what about the handlebars? You definitely can do that. And the cool thing about that, you can also adjust it. So if you're super tall or super short, you can adjust those as well. And again, just to tighten it, all you have to do is just turn it right back. Really easy to do. And now you've got a sturdy grip on there. And you can kind of adjust your light as well. I like to have it pointed down towards the ground because that's at night what you want to be able to see. Nice that you can fold these up as well for transport. I think that's a pretty cool little feature as well. They really thought about this. This thing is ultra light. So if you are looking for a mobility scooter that is incredibly light, it's the lightest one I've ever tested, guys. This thing can be lifted no problem. Most of the weight is actually located in the back, and so you could remove that battery, make it even lighter. Love that. And this is just a fun ride. It rides so well, turns really well. And the cool thing about it is, like I mentioned, you don't have to go in drive. You can go in reverse as well. So if you need to get into tight spaces, back it into a little parking spot, you could certainly do that as well. Really like this. It's responsive. It's not super fast, but it's also not super slow. So it's got a good, kind of good feel to it. I will tell you, if you're going full speed and you let go of that accelerator, it will kind of break itself. And that's a safety thing. It's kind of a weird irky-jerky feeling, something to get used to for sure. If you look at the back of this, there are some rollers back here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Let me kind of turn this around a little bit, show this to you, which helps for if you're on a steep hill, you don't have to worry about it tipping because it's got these to protect you from it going up like that. So as you can see, it can't go further than that. So no wheelies on this thing, guys. No wheelies on this. So this really is kind of a niche market, guys. This is a three-wheeled, motorized mobility scooter, and it's really inexpensive. I'll put links to this down in the description section. You won't believe the price once you see it. This thing is really convenient. Convenient to transport, convenient to use. Range, speed, all that. I don't know the exact specs on the speed, but I rode this thing all day and I still have 3 bars says I have full charge. So depending on the terrain can affect that. So I don't like to give numbers, but I'll put the specs down in the link in the description. So you can look at all of the manufacturer's specs on this. I wanted to give you my impression of this thing and how comfortable it is. I can see so many people that could take total advantage of this. I mean, I've been dealing with knee problems for a long time. Sometimes I have good days, sometimes I have bad days, and to have something like this maybe at the fair or the zoo would be really convenient and easy to transport. I don't have to bring my truck. I can throw this in my SUV. It'll fit and fold down really nice. Really convenient. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're looking for something like this for yourself or a loved one, share this video with them as well. I think this might be a good option for you, and again, the price is crazy good on this. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody.